Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech IT Insights. Today we are going to discuss about OSS, BSS, Telecom architecture point of view and how entire projects are running on OSS, BSS platform and the framework. Here, what is OSS and what is BSS? So what does it will do the OSS terms of interweather? So OSS is either operational support system. What does it will do? Let's typically operation support system will go for software application that support back office activities which operate the telco networks, the provisioning and maintenance of the services. OSS is traditionally used by the network planner, service design, operation, architecture support, which engineering teams is service provider. Increase the product manager and senior staff, which will have some extension level like activation, assurance. This OSS will framework. You can see the diagram. And let's go for the BSS. Business support system is application that are support to the customer facing services. Like when customer is coming to the in service to billing, order management, customer relationship management, call center, automation, all comes to the BSS applications. BSS may encompass with the customer facing, like in terms of you can say like a basic relations of here, service assurance, this office activity which is initiated by the contact with customer. This basic relationship between OSS and BSS, whether OSS pass the service order and supply the services assurance information to the BSS layer. Here often to a OSS order to down fault system. Here you can see that. Let's go for the diagram. You will understand more on this. Let's come to the here like a customer self-care portal like mobile application services, SMS, IM, and you can see the application service like we can place the orders by OSS dials like email. We can see the application service which we are providing to the end customers. You can use this type of by using the self-care portal services. Here now we can see this BSS order management and CRM, billing, product modeling. When it comes to here downstream system where like an inventory, service assurance, design, inventory. Let's take about more parameter basis here like where network element facing like postpaid and prepaid services like CDM, converges, rating and discounts and mediation will pass to the BSS system like revenue assurance, fraud management, invoicing, reports. This will BSS level. But when you mediation pass to the back to the business system will do the activity. Let's more discuss about here channel basis. Like we have an SMS walk through, customer can go through a walk and portal and web care call center. These are significantly channel basis here. Now BSS typically CRM most important this functionality like catalogs, customer management, customer web self-care services like order fulfillment. These are order capture. This will be a BSS support system, business support system. And OSS will comes to here inventory management, workforce and service catalog, service activation, mediation, device management, convergence billing, and which will comes to the operations support system. There is one more layer has network layer. This is very important. It's in terms of in telecom industry where you are providing any services like HLR, OLT. This is our network layers where network elements will go like when you feed in the commands to the from the SAP system to the network layer, the TDM, BTS. These are network layer very important key role will perform. In terms of all the application here, this BSS OSS layer in between middleware is a key role perform like when you pass in the XML to the downstream system, it's a key role will perform like a fulfillment of the, it's a pipe where you want to perform here. Reports and business intelligence. Let's more about talk about the BSS landscape here, how it is work here. Analytically design, you can see this customer relationship management CRM. What are the will be role, like BSS BRM, like CRM, service desktop, ERP, billing, and that will be a middleware of layer. Now it comes to the OSS, service provisioning, service level management, and element management system, activation. That will be for the service fulfillment, and service assurance is the BSS. And whereas OSS, billing and revenue management, which is customer management, which will network layer, how it will go here. Now network infrastructure, like optically, like transport, we can IP wireless systems. Let's come to the what type of optical fiber, like fiber, WDM, like opticals. These are the where you are provided the fiber connections, like that will be here. Transport, like we have a PSTN, like a DSL. These are the network level 1 layers where we are IP, MPLS, IPVLS, IPTV. These are like IP where you are providing the infrastructure point of view. I am talking about here. Wireless, like we can see GSM, GPRS, UTMS, like these are the system, like a Windows system, Unix, Linux, AS400, VMware. These are the systems where infrastructure point of view that OSS landscape. Now we can see service provisioning and details, how in terms of what we in the diagram in details we can see now in the down the line. So in separation of the BSS and OSS, is it? I hope you guys will be clear for now. Now in terms of, you can see the BSS clear separation of the common, delivery order X into the customer. BSS would capture the order and set up the billing in pass to the OSS for fulfillment. Now network and service is more complicated, more flexible, and telco offering range of preferences in here. Now OSS, BSS must be tightly coupled, where we would be ordered to the customer basis when service is providing here. Now here we can see in terms of, we saw the diagram like service assurance, service catalog, service management. Service assurance, how you are giving to the customer like SLA basis, like in terms of operation, service level of agreement to meet this criteria, how service agreement will offer here. Now network catalogs, product catalog, which is telco, and in order to place the list of product offering to the customer, and define with the what networks resources can be offered to deliver to the services. Whereas service catalog offered to the product managers, tools which you offering to services, a fulfillment process across the BSS and OSS perform. Now service management applicable to interact with the BSS and OSS process when service order fulfillment process in complex here. In complex, if the service order compresses multiple technical resources which are delivered to the multiple of OSS systems, then this will be a new across the BSS overview to build the uncertainty about who has bid with the details here. Now BSS and telecom industry, we can see the diagrammatically how usage will be like network element and clear resource and other resources like CDRS and mediation system from the CDRs and billing system, how rating will happen, like a rating in discounts, prorated basis, like these are the BSS, then network pass to the network layer here. Now BSS in terms of in a high level, we can see like how business support system focus of we can see the one line of here. Customer relationship management, CRM, keep the tracking of the customer information, interact with the performance. Order management here, processing the customer order to the new services, upgrade changes here. And here billing and rating in generated accurate bills for the services which is, and manage the revenue system here. Now here boost the service and product services catalog is, and increase the operation efficiency, gain the real-time visibility. Now we can see the main pillar of the what does campaign management will do here, like where marketing, campaign and management, planning and execution, marketing campaign with the attract fear, like how the company will do. Now OSS operating system will deals with the technical operator aspect of the network, like network inventory management, tracking all network equipments including hardware and software and configuration. Now here we will come to the capacity planning, vendor management, network modeling, report, and then warehouse in separate management which has to be support here. Now fault management, like a performance management and security, like in a telecom consultancy where you are telecom security consulting services here. Now in order to efficiency way we can provide like I will say like the relationship between OSS and BSS, that sharing the data, interact with each other, deliver the seamless experience for the both customer and network operators. For example, when customer order the new service through the BSS, order sent to the BSS OSS, which provisioning to the new service on the network. Similarly, OSS send the performance building data to the BSS, which use it to generate the accurate bills and manage customer accounts. The importance of the BSS and OSS, the efficient of the BSS OSS are essentially for the telecom operator. Main point, he has to focus on the improve the customer satisfaction and reduce the cost, increase the revenue, like by offering new and innovative services, optimizing the pricing, prevents of the revenue legacy. I hope this explanation clarify the meaning of the role of the BSS and OSS telecom industry. If you have any future questions, feel free ask me comment on my YouTube video. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. This is Mark, and Happy New Year. Stay with my channel.